How to change bank account on Turbotax. I'm going to show you how you can easily change your bank account on Turbotax. To add or edit your direct deposit account information in Turbotax Online, sign in to Turbotax Online. Then, select Take Me to My Return. Now select Pick Up where I left off. After that, select the File tab. Here, select Revisit or Start next to your refund info. Then, select In My Bank and Edit on the Let's Get Your Bank Account Info screen. Now, press Continue at the bottom right corner. To add or edit your direct deposit account in Turbotax Desktop, open Turbotax Desktop. After that, select the File tab at the right of the screen. Here, continue to answer the interview questions to e-file your return until the How do you want your federal refund screen. Then select Direct Deposit to Bank Account and enter direct deposit information. Now press Continue at the bottom right corner.